Standard costing. This is the class 2. Already class 1 completed. First class I explained formulas and one problem. This problem about material cost variance, material price variance, material usage variance. These three models are already completed. Now the second class I will explain material mix variance and material yield variance. I will explain. See this problem, all of you. This is the problem number 2. So you are calculating in material mix variance and material yield variance you are calculated. If you practice these two problems, you are covering the 5 models: material cost variance, price variance, usage variance, and material mix variance and material yield variance also covered. That's why you are listening in 2 videos. You are covering the standard costing material related concept. This problem number 2, the standard mix of a product P is shown below. Raw material of X 30 units at 2 rupees each. In X, raw material Y 70 units 3 rupees each. That is the quantity is given. X quantity 30 units, the price is the 2 rupees. Y quantity is 70, price is the 3 rupees. That is the standard mix related information is given. In standard loss, 10% is given. In standard loss, 10%. In actual mix is given. Actual mix means actual quantity. Actual quantity of X 34 units, Y 66 units. So Y is 66 units, X is the 34 units is given. In actual loss is given 15%, that is the actual loss. First you are framing the table in standard quantity, standard price, actual quantity, actual price you are framing. In X standard quantity 30 units is given, price is the 2 rupees. Actual quantity is 34 units is given, actual price rates are same. Here actual rates and standard rates are same. That's why you are considering the both rates are same. In next Y standard quantity 70 units is given, in price is 3 rupees. In actual quantity of Y 66 units, rates are the same, 3 rupees. And now here you are getting the standards, you are adding these two X values and Y value quantity, you are getting the 100, that is the standard mix. You treat it as a standard mix. So now here you are adding the 100 X quantity and Y quantity, 34 plus 66, you are getting the actual mix. This is the actual mix and standard mix of this problem. Next you are deducting the loss is given. So loss, you are deducting the loss. So loss is deducted, less standard loss is given. In standard loss, how much percentage is given in the problem? 10% is given. This 10% is calculated on the input. Here input is 100. 100 into 10%. Now you are getting the 10 units. 10 units is the loss. Next, actual loss is given. Loss, actual loss, how much percentage is given? 15% is given. So 15% means 100 into 15%, you are getting the 15 units loss. So now you are getting the value of output 100 minus 10. Now you are getting the 90. 90 is the standard output. In here 100 minus 85, 100 minus 15, you are getting the 85, that is the actual loss, actual output. Here actual output you are getting, standard output you are getting. First formula, we are calculating the material mix variance. In material mix variance formula, here standard price into revised standard quantity minus actual quantity. First you calculate the revised standard quantity. This is the formula. First, you calculate the revised standard quantity. In revised standard quantity formula, actual mix divided by standard mix into standard quantity. So first you calculate the revised standard quantity X. So actual mix how much amount? 100. Standard mix also 100. Now you are multiplying the standard quantity. In standard quantity of X, 30 units are given in the problem. So 30. So finally you are getting the value 30. Same like that Y also. In Y equal to, in actual mix is 100, actual mix 100 divided by standard mix also 100 into standard quantity 70 is given in the problem. So now you are getting the Y value 70. These are the X revised standard quantity 30, Y revised quantity 70. After that you are substituting the formula. And which formula you are substituting? Material mix variance formula. Material mix variance formula, standard price bracket open, revised standard quantity minus actual quantity. First you substituting the X values. In X value, standard price. In standard price, how much is given in the problem? 3 rupees is given. So this 3 rupees you are substituting here. 3 rupees revised standard quantity. In revised standard quantity X 30 units is given. And minus actual quantity. In the actual quantity 34 units is given. 34 units you are substituting here. Now you are getting the 3 bracket open 30 minus 34, you are getting the negative value. So how much amount you are getting? Minus 4 you are getting. Minus 4. So next 4 into 3, 12. That is the A value. Negative means you are mentioning the adverse value. Same like that Y value also. In Y standard price, how much amount? In Y standard price is given in the problem 3 rupees. So here at X standard price is given 2 rupees. You are changing that value. 2 rupees is given. Now you are getting the value 8 only. 8A. So standard price of Y 3 rupees is given. 3 rupees minus revised standard quantity 70. Revised standard quantity 70 minus actual quantity 66 units. So now you are getting the value 3 into 70 minus 64. You are getting the 4 value. 3 into 4 value you are getting. So that is the positive value. Here 3 into 4, 12. 12 is the F value. F is the positive value. Favorable, you are showing the F only. So now you are getting the X value. X value how much amount? 8A you are getting. In Y value you are getting 12. In Y value you are getting the 12F. Finally the total value, total material mix variance equal to 8A plus 12F. Finally, you are getting the 4F. 4F is the positive value. 8A is the negative. 12F is the positive. So finally, you are getting the 4F. That is the material mix variance answer. In second model, material yield variance. In material yield variance, you are calculated. How to calculate? I will explain clearly. Listen. In material yield variance, in the formula, standard cost per unit, bracket open, actual output minus revised standard output. Here, actual output 85 units. 85 units is the actual output. Revised standard output you doesn't know. In here, standard cost per unit also you doesn't know. That's why you are calculating the standard cost per unit. In standard cost per unit formula, total standard cost divided by standard output. Total standard cost means you are multiplying the X values and Y values in X standard quantity and Y standard cost. So X standard quantity cost, X how many units are given in the problem? 30 into 2 in 70 into 3. You are multiplying the two values in the here. 30 into 2 plus 70 into 3 divided by standard output 90 is given. Now you are getting 60 plus 210 divided by 90. Next 60 plus 210 270. 270 divided by 90. Now you are getting the value 3 rupees. 3 is the standard cost per unit. Standard cost per unit. How much amount you are getting? 3 rupees. So standard cost per unit is completed. Standard cost per unit completed. Actual output you know. Finally you are calculating the revised standard output. In revised standard output formula, revised standard output equal to actual mix divided by standard mix into standard output. Here actual mix and standard mix are so same, both are same. That's why we are multiplying the standard output 90. We are getting the 90 value. 90 is the revised standard output. In revised standard output you are getting 90 value. These two values you are calculated here. After that, simply you are substituting the formula. In material, yield variance equal to standard cost per unit 3 rupees, bracket open, actual output. In actual output is the 85 minus revised standard output 90. Now you are getting the 3 into, so 85 minus 90, 5 negative value are getting. So that is the 15. So 3 into 5, 15. The 15 is the A value. So that value is material yield variance. Material yield variance, you are getting the 15A. So these two models are completed. Material mix variance, material yield variance. Remaining problems all are similar. If you practice these two classes, at least we have about idea about the material variance related problem. Thank you for listening and please like and subscribe. Thank you.